All right, let's go ahead and get started on our Keith Haring project. As you can see, beginning with the end in mind, we're drawing some figures that might remind you of Keith Haring. I hope you enjoyed watching our information video found on YouTube about Keith Haring's life as well as his artwork. As we discussed, his figures have little to no detail in the body or figure that he painted. His ideas show expression and movement throughout the way the body is formed or drawn, as well as the lines to show movement and expression through that way. So as you get started in your figures, you can use the idea sheet on the supply table to get you started with some different poses or different body features or showing movement. It just gives you a starting point. Then when you're done in pencil drawing around your figures, I want you to go ahead and take a black marker and go around your figure. You can either draw your figures in like a stick figure if you would like, or you can use it, drawing the overall figure shape, whichever way works best for you. When you're done in pencil, take your black marker and fill in the spaces like you can see here. My black markers are starting to run out, so another option is to put a little bit of color inside rather than filling it in with black. Just like the other example, you can also use a color to fill it in. You decide whatever works best for you. Then I'm taking a colored marker and I'm creating like a rainbow shape, like in step 4 of our direction sheet. I create a little bit of a rainbow shape going around each of the lines and each of the black space within this project. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that around not just one figure, but notice, before I get my next color, I'm using the same color around each figure, around each line, around each design, creating a sense of unity, a sense of rhythm, and it just kind of makes all of the figures seem to be in oneness. When you think of that idea of unity, oneness. Okay, so there's a lot of similarities, not just with the figures, whether either being filled in with black or color, but then also, using this rainbow-like line going around each of my figures. As you can see, I sped up the video quite a bit, so you can see this whole thing being done in a short amount of time. As I started with one color, I go around each of my figures with a second color, using the thick side of the marker and leaving little to no white by the time that I'm finished. There's 0 spaces between each of these rainbow lines that fill up the space. And as you can see, as I continue working, the more you work, the faster it goes. I hope you have fun creating unity and rhythm in these Keith Haring projects. Have fun!